It's a tough your for
You want to grind that?
a tough sitting, you know. Right here. Look here.
Rasta.
Finally.
Watch your man.
Fits.
Talk to me.
Nah, man.
This is not a regular fowl on the channel today. I got a stewing hen. You bring on a stewing hen today. I'm going to stew in today. But I roast him and I dirt. Look at the smoke I blow out now. Alright? Yeah.
Oh,
I eat a go work, people. See there?
yeah. Like one cool kid.
Back it up on the dumper chuck. Hey, wind up on your waist on the dumper chuck. Be free from morning. I want to free in the evening.
Where I start going red run yourself? Rasta man.
Yeah, go ahead.
And then have that man who you are going with.
I look at experiment today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What kind of experiment that man tell?
Yeah. They said chicken will spoil and they're growing already, you know?
Yeah.
It's perfect today.
Alright.
We are different.
Rasta at the control.
We are make a different underground bakery today.
Yes, a bakery today.
Yeah, bakery today. Yeah. And now, over there I call it then.
Yes, sir, Rasta. So the butter now go stay stiff again for the chicken.
He never use the butter.
You remember all that?
Yeah.
The butter stay not even move.
Yeah.
The butter just, I want to say my secret ingredient. And you use it pan the chicken bacon. And when you take it out, the butter not even say red. The chicken white like chicken. Just like how chicken going, see where it come out.
Yes, sir, that could have saved the chicken said, you know? Chicken still live.
Chicken still live. You know, man, Achua. The wrong man tell himself he gonna move something. Take it about it ready now. You know how to you know.
It was just a failed experiment. Cause you were going now.
Yeah.
You see like how this is gonna be a teamwork today?
Yeah.
The experiment there, I never really a teamwork that day there. The man then left it all up on me alone.
Alone for you alone.
Yeah.
Okay, eh?
I tell you, say, I must tender chicken, me never taste still.
Yeah, me not tell a lie still enough.
Tender.
After it done,
Yeah.
the
Tender
first-
and nice.
when it just, when the man tell him say,
Yeah.
no, don't throw dirt
No,
fry.
we're not, no, we're not.
When the man tell you, you ready now, take it out. And me I say, boy, it's choking up, don't fire none in me. I said, no, you ready. And when you take it out,
Alright, but Rasta, that day when you come and say need a breeder hole.
Yeah.
It really need it.
yeah, that
really
me tell you when come, a good thing me come. Until say need breeder well, cause I know we no get no chicken. I don't know butter at all now.
I know.
And that is the same way with the butter from me now move.
And we did a stand up thing, say it on the ground. We think it on the ground and cook hotel, you know, man.
Yeah, Chris now. It's a bait man, feel it. Me I say, when me come and me I say, no man, no, it now come out of that man.
Nothing.
And me go say, answer a quick fire dead.
Yeah. So we that did in Rasta, nothing.
No, get. I wasn't ready.
All heap of obstacles that there, because God they bless you with all some rainfall
Yeah,
too.
but the rain is not the problem.
Are
The support you know get.
a support?
Yeah, because the rest of the man they don't know what they do.
Yeah.
Simple as that.
Experiment, you know?
If you do something, it have to come together in the right and proper way.
Yeah, so you see,
No man can laugh off and a man and know say, I channel it now go far.
But you laugh though. You
Yeah,
laugh.
when they come, me have to laugh when they come. Cause this is say, after this go on. Yeah.
Fiddly all in my bars, hungry to get it want or more.
yeah.
I sweet him.
Who say so?
Yo,
Yeah, after I done, I'm say squid the watcher.
more rice.
Same as when you put it in, so you take it out. The man roast it, saying roast potato and yam, and no yam, no roast.
Chris already.
And one thing Chris can do, you know.
Oh,
Light the
Right.
fire.
No,
you can't like fire.
boil egg, the egg there before you run
Silky chicken
The
there.
silky chicken them, eat half of the whole of them.
No man, you know if you make corned beef sandwich too.
The man last go.
A porridge just go like.
Michael, you know.
Michael say love tin mackerel
Michael,
and
they cook
rice.
the tin mackerel and rice, but a beer on him and run.
I'm afraid.
My
A
run
stone that you buck up in a rasta?
Hmm?
Can show them all, man. Yeah, see, look section of rasta, they go to the
Remember say-
bakery.
a stone here, you know. And
Mm.
You got to dig and just straight down so.
The file pan is big than that size, you know?
Yeah.
Big like that size, huh?
Bigger.
Bigger, so you have to go get
Look a bit wider. Just look a bit wider.
So,
I'm clear right there.
Yeah.
no, I'm not
Ready yet?
some more.
I get some more. What?
Dig.
Oh.
Yeah, dig all.
No, I plow it.
When you're tired, so you can give it. I remember your weekend.
No?
Yeah, give me 2 for free.
You can't weak on my unit system strong. You see, I'm peeler. Peeler bite it last night. And a man come bite it with the piece of devil last night. And a man come to me and say, yo, peeler. See, I'm in piece of peeler just go,
Mash it up fast.
Yo, I'll tell you to blow.
Yes, sir. You can get the light there.
The man do work faster with it.
Nah, man, the pork nice, man. You know what I do.
Yeah, nice, man. Don't say that.
You know what I do, man.
So Rasta used to consume it. It never used to nice.
Then time the million know.
Yeah, you are foolish.
Yes, fool. Have the parents with their mouths.
Yeah.
Yes, so me can have to take what they give me.
Yeah.
So when they give what you go do, that's you.
Yeah, they young.
No, and I'm so food.
Yeah,
Mad. When a little bit of your parents give food, you can. That's right. Not
you're mad. If you dash way.
You'll go back for more.
Sweet, yo. Not like mama cooking.
How we are talking about, man? Yo, may I tell you, we did nice at that time. When we did have stone bush. Yeah, Sammy dice.
Oh, look, stone?
Yeah, we go roll along stone. Yeah, Sammy dice father.
Mr. Reggie.
Yeah, Portland.
Portland, you go?
No, man. One man name, one of them name Portland. Millie ground a pump out. And rat. Mass pan. When the man they see the man come a man tell them, 2 pound a pork.
Oh, gosh, man.
Yo, every
So,
one I...
you say one man I eat 2 pound?
One man I carry one again.
Yeah.
Oh, God, man.
Carry that and 10 youth there.
Yeah.
And man cook that.
Yeah.
I'll pimp.
Yeah.
We're dead.
Sorry, me never did it them time there.
Yo.
Yes, sir. I love him time there. How is this Rasta? Hold on.
Brother.
No, this is fine.
What? Piece of gold.
I know gold. How
No, I worm them, man.
Oh, worm this, man.
Earthworm. So in fact, so we eat dirt.
Yeah, man.
I want it for protein, that, you know.
You say I put him in our food for them.
Where?
What did we do last time? A regular chicken, right?
Yeah.
Oh, we had a stewing hen.
Right. That is.
Yeah, stewing hen. That's it.
Why you show them it? Why you show them it when you're done?
You want to see him full of muscle like him like a gym.
Yeah, man, a bodybuilder, man.
Yeah.
That one, huh?
Yeah?
What you say?
Bodybuilder.
Alright, watch out now. You dig after, so yes, alright, see? That deep
Yeah, that's just one dig.
Yes, and yes, so come back this side. Now we know so everything look kind of look
But when I
uniform.
don't dig it, we are going to show them the muscle
there.
chicken.
Yeah. No?
Yeah, do a person now, Rasta.
I got a picture of the Radwood there.
Move out.
Radwood.
What you do with it?
Like, fire.
Oh.
Rod stick here, Rasta.
Radwood.
Rod
Now come
stick.
the rod stick.
You're the man that teach you the right thing.
You teach you the right thing. Radwood. Sit here.
Rasta, ferment to that.
No.
You're the man tell us a rod wood.
See, that's something that look like fermento.
Fermented. Silicone on our front next one.
Now, this is the base.
Yeah, this way I was set it.
Yeah, cause through that can burn out. Well, we're not going to burn out so easy, huh?
Yeah. And a green stick I use to make coal.
Yeah. I mean, break up the wood, Rasta.
Yeah. Just look good.
Me never ever talk. But you want to talk fat. Confidently. You have, if you want to talk, listen me now. You say if you want to talk fat, you have to go down a
All
crossroad.
fat.
You have to go check all fat. A crossroad. If you want to talk fat. Because Rasta tell you say, a wood me a chop up. Straight. You ask if me a whole wood good. Eh? Eh? What kind of question like you ask Rasta? You say, can I would me a chop? Rod wood.
That's it, you want to tell.
See, you down there, hole, man. Catch that, man.
Where is it?
Catch your wood down there, hole.
So why you never want me catch it when it's in your hand?
You not there, you never catch it in my hand, so I chop it. So, yeah? That killer bean.
Yeah, look, that going good.
That is all going well, though.
Yeah, the experiment, it must stay now, cause you know? Everybody have put them 2 cents together to make this thing work now.
Like one time I got alone.
No. So, what you ask me for the stop follow you up?
No, you have to follow her up. No, me, you can't follow me.
Oh.
Yeah, follow Rasta.
You can't follow her, you have to follow her up.
Yeah, let me see what I go on inside the oven.
When the cartel sing the bad man tune, the girl them jump up and go on with their room.
Yes, Rasta, what's your favorite cartel food? You want to do my Sheba? Where you go?
What's that?
Wait, say, how it go?
Where girl
Rasta, what a way.
Cartel! What are we events and beat them bad? Welcome, the general! Cartel! What are we events and beat them bad? Yo, that tune them mad, eh?
That's what she said.
What do you mean? This right piece of good on them knife fire, man. No splitting.
As is.
As it is, right here. So we got it right there. Fire gonna be in place in there, yo. We don't want them, yo. If you put too much, we have to make that fire go and catch him.
Yeah, and burn out, look, man.
And they go and burn
But
down.
you can't throw a coal pan it yet, though.
No. And then we put down, we took the thing there with something and do what we are doing. We have to seize up the bird there now. So
Where bird name, Rasta?
Stewing hen.
Stewing hen.
You hear people? So
This is not a regular fall today.
this is not a regular fowl on the channel today. I got a stewing hen. You bring on a stewing hen today, I'm going to stew him today. But I roast him and I dirt. It's a dirt fowl we are giving up today. It's a dirt one we are going to today. Dirt fowl. When you look at him, the red dirt. Full him.
Oh.
We bring all a mango beer for you to up on him too, you know?
Wow, it's going to be mango beer dirt under the ground. So people, it's a different experience you got to see under this one. This is not ingredients now.
You hear that, people?
Experience.
Rasta telling them first. Rasta said a while ago.
Goodness and blessing. Up and running.
Prescribe.
TVs. Prescribe. Straight love. Out and running. Road, we say.
It's small like one bird.
You know the ball plate?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want big ball plate, that man.
Ball plate, this man. That's how ball plate that look.
Look on in chest.
Wait, chest. Look, you see it?
Hold on, I take
Him bone that.
Oh, man chicken.
Watch out.
Watch out, man.
That's a monster.
Bring him close there, Rasta. Bring him closer. Push him up like.
Stewing in there.
Look at that stewing in there.
Turn around in chest.
Look at in chest. Even maga like me no know like tread leg.
These are got tough, you know.
You want tough?
We have to get the nail them.
Where it look right? You know look like
We are busting in that two pizza cut them all in tribes. Eh?
We have to get the nail them though.
Watch out, I left see your foot then. They said, so your grandma never take the food for yourself.
Me no know I put it up in that.
Yeah. Alright, I get that pot there. I put some water to go and soak
Yeah.
the vinegar though.
Yeah, man. So I'm soaking out with some water.
Alright, spot me I give you, you know.
The wrong few time I just that now take me no time. That's stewing in that's what I name today. This when look on him.
Stewing hen.
The man say one big when you look man say Rasta. He say
No,
this.
man, me tell you something.
Yo, Squidly tell me say Squidly. He say when you look on him leg them and some big
Body,
something
he want to say a body
so.
build. He want to tell you say a body builder.
Muscle them me I say when muscle them something so you look for.
Muscles big.
Yeah. So me I look say Rajad. One
So
big
that
one.
means then.
Well,
You're not give Mike none. I feel with this then.
This are just 3 away.
Michael have to get a different bird.
This alone me alone to crack him.
Yeah.
Right
now.
But Rasta, so we bring some more chicken and as if that one is tough, you know.
Oh, I met you say that's how should I deal with them. Next time we are do them, we are push one piece of wire through here so and spin him round so.
Yeah.
Season him up.
Yeah.
Can do that.
Spin him round pan-
Over
pan
live fire.
Over like coal fire.
And rosemary, some season water.
Yeah, anything we want use and wet him same time man we are spin him, roast him, stuff the seasoning in him, make it go and cook in him and everything. And we deal with him so.
Next episode.
Next episode. But today, on the ground.
Yeah.
Under the earth, what Squid did the last time, and when he take out, he no look white like I say, you know, people. My name say, he look white like the cock here. And the butter stand up right on the chest of the chicken state. So, see me, me not ready to melt it, because nothing no go on.
No fire.
And that the butter tell me. I like me that tell. The man said, make sure him ding. Best just instead of the what? Well,
I know instead.
Just in case.
Just in case
Yeah.
the
It's steering
it's
in.
chewing in.
Can't
Work out
stew.
what you want. Can't stew. Alright, look.
Just in case the stewing it can't stew.
Look on this leg Look on the leg to this chewing in.
Twice stewing it like that, man.
The two like this.
Yeah.
One of them.
That make
Look
it
on
two
that,
leg.
look
Take him up.
Take him up. I'm not take him up. I'm show him right back.
Just
Look
put
on
it inside there.
Look
Watch
at
it.
two like this.
Yeah, alright.
Alright,
That
I'll show
chicken
you
a
a thing
pump
now.
up then in a
I'll show
rasta.
you something.
You know, say chicken a pump up.
I would
Hold on,
pump him up.
Me no know.
You see that one you know, Rasta?
A natural fowl.
I'm more healthy fowl for that one.
Yeah.
That one has some bloated one.
Pump up that man.
I want to find injection and dream.
Yeah, no say that.
No, man. You see that one you raised natural, them one there?
Yeah, I quick real.
Mm-hmm.
That have to melt out for.
Yeah, you throw vinegar, how vinegar
See the
there?
right side in there.
Chuck him in it then.
You go and soak it.
Yeah.
You know when that no yes. You have the whole day.
I'll catch a fire, make it go on.
No, yet.
You have the whole year, Rasta. You know,
When
yeah.
this start out,
Well, you
I'm
turn
cut
on
up
the
it.
radio, you know.
nah,
2 o'clock, you know.
It's
So we
ready.
can hear when time, or turn on TV and see when time your team go home today.
Pointed like I'm born and I can
Then I want bone the right there to feel
You
it.
know it?
I gristle in there, so you know.
No breast that.
No, he not no breast.
Eh?
Chest.
He not no breast, I chest that.
Chest.
You have to fall with breast? Yo!
Breast
you know what
carry
I say?
nipple.
Yeah, and then breast that. Hey! You have to fall with breast, yes, quickly.
I nipple, no, breast come with nipple. Breast come with nipple, I mean. Breast. No, me I say breast come with nipple.
Yo! No, man. Yo, I'm going to tell you, right there, sir.
Yo.
I gristle for all pan in my chest. That's right there.
Middle side of the nipple.
Man, they make me attack rubbish.
Who want me to talk rubbish?
No one of it.
No, sir.
Nipple that boy.
Rubbish is something we throw away. I have nothing to throw away today.
I would have find them. See that?
Vinegar.
No, man.
The sauce.
This man.
Oh, run a rasta finger.
This
No,
a
me not
thing.
have vinegar.
Oh.
Finger, rasta finger. What's the finger?
Measure.
Oh, your finger pop off.
What do you say? You said thing, you
See
know.
there? Look on them. People.
Alright.
I'm showing again now.
See the comparison now.
Look at the comparison now. This boy with the behind the camera named Squidly Rankin.
Yeah.
Look for that piece of ginger where Rasta
Turn it
showing.
round. Turn it round.
In a round.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah.
Look at it. It's
Turn
like
it
a
round,
square.
man.
See then the round of the pan of ginger.
Show we tip I did that. The piece where you hold, that piece of more point
I
in
see
camera.
that.
Yeah.
Alright. And look at my finger now, people.
Next finger.
Look at my finger. Don't do this your finger, people. And this is a ginger. This finger gonna joke in the head. You know, people. One onion. That is not bad. Jesus Christ. Make you two little fine carrot.
It look like a one same here.
Look at one little carrot. This
I broke it that too, you know?
This can broken that two, cause two different head you have.
Oh.
How do you rasta?
You see. And then can what? The
Secret
special
ingredient.
secret ingredients.
But rasta, this have to get in your rice still, you know.
Oh, say, piece of going like that and melting. You can't tell me nothing.
Alright.
I'm with general
Hyper.
Jamaican pepper.
But rasta, watch
Black
out.
granny pepper.
That season you're hot and this hot, so I know it will work out.
Yeah, man, it all work out, man.
Yeah, cause this mark hot pan it.
Oh, you don't need, no, you see when them I say hot?
It really
Yeah,
hot.
man, that really
All
hot. You
the
don't need
time,
nothing more.
So this
Throw that
guy is
pepper there in
going
our
in
rice,
there.
yeah.
Light I use.
No, throw that in our rice, man.
Okay.
Can throw that in our rice, man,
Rice I
Rasta.
cook pan a little.
No man, you have to cook the rice when you cover down the fire. I remember you have to put a little fire on top of this thing, you know.
Yeah, man.
So
Set the fire up on top of
Fire
it.
bottom and fire top.
No, fire base. I want to catch you when you push your finger and I fall bottom all ago.
You really want to do that? Me not do them things.
you put finger in a fold by the
No,
time.
this boy you tell you damn nonsense.
How when get the reason them from?
Tell her that it-
That chocolate just
How was drop out?
like
Gizzard.
gizzard that.
What's that? Yeah.
Hello.
No, you want this stuff. Like I want piece of lead me a lick. Yeah, and a knife this, you know? Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I want jump.
Bass drum.
For your group?
No, none of them one, yeah.
Wait, the common for
Come and follow you grow yard.
But no steering in.
No string here.
Just come and fall and PORK.
That's like a shot down the power off, you cut him.
Yo, it's a tough your fall.
You want to grind that?
I'll fire with a chinks off. Here,
You look like I grind them, I have to go use it on my saw. Which part me a cut all no another so cut, you know. Look here. They don't can see it, look. Yes, on me a cut, I look where it's my gone.
Jaja, no.
They don't see that for yourself? Look where nice bend.
You say a knife bend.
That nice bend.
Where this bring fit experiment kind of idea?
You hear it? I don't know if you hear it name, Rasta. Experiment.
Chewing
That's how I
it.
bring piece of regular fall to you, know?
Try and make sure so you drink whole heap of milk and you teeth strong.
Cut them bone.
Oh!
Hear that? Fiddler, I want to fiddler. Stewing hen.
Chewing hen.
It don't look too tough still, Rasta.
Why we can't know, you know?
You have to
We a
stab
knife
it up,
al
Rasta.
the knife alone sure saying tough.
Rasta? You have to stab it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And them I Chinese they love, you know.
The stewing hen them.
None of them yeah, then stewing in and then sitting there. They not clean
Oh,
out.
Rasta, say man.
They not clean out them.
Oh,
man.
yeah.
That's true, man. They not clean out them out tight, man. Yeah, man. Clean out them out of foul, man. Your man, them say best.
Oh, you know that, Rasta.
They know what me see, man.
So you eat from them?
No.
You test it.
A people where go they go get them food, show you where they get from them.
What do you mean they ain't got there? Like a Chinese restaurant them?
No, them cook at them yard, man.
Oh. So you want a restaurant and clean up them one day?
Then they can't carry it out and come the people on the road to call you. The people now go see it.
Yeah.
Differently, I know them chicken and them give a Chinese restaurant, you
They
know.
not give them one, yeah.
No.
Me don't know what them give.
I
Finley,
best dress.
they not give them, yeah.
They not give them I feed them.
Yeah,
Yeah, then say them.
But
them
what me
not
I
give
say
them
is,
one. You see
Now,
them-
for sure, say I better for them,
you see them- alright, look when you see them go downtown, go buy all 1/2 dozen of them. And carry them home, go kill them. And them will go them to themselves.
them know why though.
They know why. I said,
So if you just say,
cut him not two now. So
anything-
2 half him a fee now.
anything you do.
Well, that's so.
Which
Remember, we all know, remember Rasta just say, I know which part you cut, you know, watch your hand.
Hear the bone.
That's right. You see me I show you. I know which
Watch
part
your
be-
hand.
You see it. I know where I cut it, no cut. You see. See, I really stewing and you have to take off
Take
the
off the
whole
whole
tough
skin.
skin. You have to come off in the brother.
The whole leather.
The whole leather them here. The leather yeah yellow.
Yellow red.
Yellow red. Yellow. A yellow. A chang in chang still, you know.
Yeah. Yes, the same now have no fat neither, Rasta.
No fat no dep on him. And I like the regular fall with them.
Alright, I'll look. Alright.
Them pump up.
Look on the regular one, I full of fat.
Full of fat already. You know,
That's it?
started.
Full of fatness, so. Rasta, remember when I want a wing, you know?
So you can dash your wing.
Yeah, can I dash it to you, son?
Put
You
it.
can cook it and give dog, man.
Where dog there?
Hear the fiddle? Hear the... Stewing hen. Yeah, tear off in pieces, so.
Rasta, you do like the man them in the restaurant, don't watch you what me tell you about with the wing tip.
Well, then the wing tip.
Full of him plate, I wing tip, man.
Where?
Yes, that down there, you get that down there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I watch you with it there work.
I said, me I carry back down here and throw that down.
Give me the wing tip.
And I say, yo, how you believe say? You think say me come to the plane? For wing tip?
Curry wing tip.
Curry wing tip at that?
Curry chicken, me on
That's the
it.
worst thing that
What
feel,
was-
Rasta.
You're mad.
Buy food and get wing tip, stew chicken or curry chicken.
No,
you
you
see
go
wing
to a
tip.
restaurant right now. That's why I tell a man say, me secure my engine. Yo. And in the restaurant, me not go buy no food, so.
Yeah.
You can't make your manage them.
True, man.
Remember me tell you that.
Some of them just do this with
Because I
money.
do this with the money. Me not do it for enough if boy, if you know say boy.
Alright, Rasta, look for all this stewing in now. Just to say it now have the little slime where they
No,
have
sir.
Alright.
No slime.
No slime on the pan here, man. I'm sure some more
Alright,
healthier
you see
chicken.
if you mid live,
Mm.
the skin come off easier.
If he was alive,
Yeah.
what you mean?
Like a dust kill him.
Oh, so you mean?
Like a dust cut off him mid.
Oh,
Faster.
you say if he was
Yeah,
alive?
when him alive, you strip off his skin pan him alive, see him with the head pan him said we.
No, man, that is a come like a, what you call us up there, fiddly?
Tacha.
Touch, that man.
And I done him, I done with that.
Oh, no, cut.
I done it with that. We are going to eat, you are going to eat him, you know. So we are going to do. Any way you take it, I start him. Anyway, you take the attack. Yeah, I don't need chance, so you can't start, I can't put fire for him. You don't know that.
Animal cruelty.
Yeah, a fire I put for him, see him here.
Touch.
Yeah, You not put it on him alive, you know.
Yeah, but a
'Cause
torture.
your torture same way. In not, 'cause if you do it alive, you're very cruel.
I know, we don't promote animal
I don't
cruelty.
come- I'm in that style of an animal. We have to
When
do
all the rasta. When me have a chicken that fall, yeah? Me that pretty little yellow skin for you, so I'm glad you take it off, you know. How do you manage it?
Yeah,
You could have managed it, Fiddly?
yeah,
No, sir.
yeah.
Be like a drum. Sing a tune to the rhythm, man.
Eh?
Sing a tune to the rhythm, man.
The girl say again now. Cartel, your Benza beat them bad in your pan. Back it up, back it up.
See, if you beat
on
the
the
drum, you have to
dumper
beat the
chuck.
drum sometimes.
Eh? Back it up on the dumper chuck. Hey, wind up on your waist on the dumper chuck. Hey, look on the chicken and me a beat on the dumper chuck. This are the bass pan line on the dumper chuck. Here the girl now. Cartel, your Benza beat them bad with the hardy, you know. Hardy, I go drive next. So stay there.
Yeah, you can learn, kids.
Electric stove me have, man. We don't need to learn this.
You need to learn this, remember, say.
You hear me say electric stove me have?
Remember, say the world, I go back to them thing, you know.
Year world.
The world going back to where it come from, the Rasta.
Wood fire.
Wood fire.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Tell him your name again.
A smart
fire.
stove the world I got to next year.
Me no want no smart stove.
So you see you,
The stove
what you
can't
need
smart
for
than
do?
me. Can I look on the stove?
All
and
right.
say, yo,
Cook me this.
cook me this.
Yeah.
I want some goat here now with some rice and peas. The stove can do that?
Say a smart stove
That's
them want
smart,
come
you
with
know, I don't
so.
want no smart stove.
Better get up to this.
You better give me wood fire.
Yes, I met a gay wood.
Wood fire.
Yes, that fit. Easy does it.
Yeah, with piece of plastic, man.
It piece of plastic, man. A dolly.
Fuck that. Me I hear me say you're a plastic man. Yo, I'm going to school in the easy, you know.
Yeah. Fire blazing. Rasta. So now we now dig a trench for put in a breeder was
No trench not going.
one little one, eh?
The trench so it all does go in the side here, so man.
Which fire? That's alright, so.
Inside they want to push it from and have it go in them. Inside they want.
Rasta.
What you say, Rasta?
Inside you want to put in the pipe from.
Oh.
Why? Why?
Put in the pipe from any side. Pipe. Any side.
Yeah, people. See baker there. Just ignite the breaker.
I have some cool on it. Oh, and it's burn down.
People, right now, I cut up them seeds in here.
Yeah, I'm coming off fire pan, Rasta. And then I have to drop them set time.
Yeah, all them seeds are going nice file pan. This can go one side and fling across the feed out.
Make some space and stuff.
Make some space or something. You know, throw them with the officer. And they can go over. Right?
Good there, sir.
Ooh!
Time is now.
And there's no.
What Rasta?
Yo, we
I never bring my
manage
Irish. You can't manage.
No, man.
You run from father, God, son.
It's a blind, man.
No, a black man in bed. Where he come from?
Yeah, look down, sir, looking like this.
Oh, the Tasha and
I want to hear you.
Oh.
Where is this?
Alright, but do we have to take it then?
Yeah, you
Yeah, man, you can't, man.
I come that side.
Put on your dark shades. Hush, Rasta, hush.
Come that
No.
side.
Now me carry some shades in our something in there.
Oh, you want shit?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like Ray Charles.
No, yeah, like Ray Charles.
Alright then, why wait till the shades come back? Cause we don't want you lock your eye and cut your finger.
Me not cut my finger.
My mum was like nervous.
You look like me a mumbler. Yeah.
Sound so?
Sound? Sound has something to play. None not play now. You got to lock off it.
That's why you're so silent.
Yeah. That's me. Me I talk, meantime I do the thing, man. Cause me I make sure people know say I want to do on the app straight. I do the cooking on as usual on the Martel TV.
Man.
They are going. I mean I do some.
Where fall him?
Stewing in.
Stewing hen.
You know the easy fire does not fly off.
Does apply.
With the ashes, should say. So, a squiddly ranking, that do the stewing on the ground and he make it fail and come out white. With
You
but,
never eat none.
and with the butter on top, we can melt.
You never eat none?
Yeah.
Hold on now.
All we
Remember, say him give me modest compliment and tell me, say, yo.
Yeah, no, me not the yo thing with you today.
I say, this bad.
Yeah.
But,
Achoo.
And my wife, I say, yo.
Yeah,
man.
You not remember that part there, man.
they go
Unless I lie did I tell.
No, me never tell you. Tell you, I say go.
Yeah.
Rasta not
If you
tell
don't
you
go
that.
say near so.
If it not go so, in here go so.
Look what go on in the oven now.
You know why you see that why you see that seasoning pot.
Let's say on this here.
Yeah, the oven set, man.
Yeah, watch what fire.
Yeah, the fire, do you this stewing then?
We have to look at the stewing and pot where season first. I make the comment about that the people can subscribe and say yes, that season here, like it going on very properly to deal with what I'm going to do with it today. Look at the seasoning.
You know I want to do that the control man. No nonsense, aka ginger boss.
What the ginger boss? Then you look at big thing and them will probably come behind the back there come talk about Rasta ginger boss. This look like I'm a ginger boss here. I'm just cutting up seasoning and cooking up the stewing end today under the ground. On the one Martel TV channel.
That is it.
Yes, day style. We coming in. You try it the
And we
first
now
time.
use no nail.
No nail now, bro. You try it the first time. And when it come out,
It was so finger licking good.
we never finger licking at the time when it come out. And never do. It has to do over again. Remember?
Let's see, Rasta.
So hold on. You don't know the famous saying where say try and try again. Where do you want me to do? Give up?
No.
But try again.
You have to try again.
You never give up that day.
Oh gosh man.
We have beat him.
Yeah.
Now get beaten over here.
Yeah.
Pan the flagging. And we are beating and flag out. Alright?
Sealer.
Seal it, you see? It's
Alright, we're gonna take out the cover and wash it off.
Right, yeah.
No, look, me I look for your ginger.
Jill first ginger. That boy, I walk up. You're very unruly.
Me?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Very uncruelly. Can you call up a rat?
Rasta.
Eh?
Although the file thing bigger. You can show the chicken in there.
Yeah, man, I know everybody I work with. I just go for span this. Yeah.
That's why you put on our rasta.
Seasoning.
Which one?
In that say.
Eh? What's one of them?
No, so in the same teach me more learn the name
Yeah,
and
teacher.
seasoning.
You're supposed
You
to
say
know.
no, you say you teach me someone no.
You try to, you are the first man to do it up on the corner, you know.
And you say me feel.
So you never
Someone.
say you fail.
Rewind it back and see what it say.
Alright.
I say you never do it properly.
It never fails.
Never fail. But you never do it properly at the first beginning. Can you make one of the man with the pan the corner and tell him to take it up, you ready. And the man, and he not ready, and he not know what to do.
And as him a cooking,
He should have follow him.
Yeah.
All him have to do is
Yeah.
deal with the
Make
fire.
you know, me a run
And me a
part
run
today.
me thing like what me a tell you say, and me a deal with this, and me a deal with it. Don't tell me no nonsense when me a deal with it.
The thing on there.
No nonsense when we are dealing
Use
with
the
it.
knife. I can come off, sir. That is the knife.
I'm take off this.
Yeah. Push the knife between the split.
You hear that?
I want to say wrong.
You hear that?
Eh?
You hear that?
You don't hear it?
Me ask you if you hear that.
Me hear what I say.
That is what I need to do.
That is what it Bob if you push knife through.
Alright, don't do that, I'll say.
Back to this bamboo over here. Back, no split.
You want more than nothing, right? No? Oh, stewing in here.
Your answer don't tell him nothing.
Yeah, sorry, Rastan. Sorry.
Don't
Sorry,
tell
boss.
him nothing.
Sorry, man.
No,
Sorry.
say, me tell us sorry. Are you
Yes, Rasta.
Yeah. Rubbing the ginger.
Yeah, no ginger rub.
Yeah. The ginger in the
Ginger done in a container already. We cut
So
up.
that me attack?
No, but we contain some me have ginger finger.
That's what I say.
That little boy I say yes.
Yeah, Rasta. So, Rasta, yes, I know how this looks so far, right? It look better than where it's fiddly going the last time.
Do this a little. Yeah, it look better than where them do car right now. You never see them. When me come see that it can't go nowhere. So where that say?
That's it. See, secret of people. This is a secret ingredient today.
Mango beer. I have to drink some of that.
Your mad drink some of it.
Although I have secret, I have to drink some of the mango beer because it's the nicest beer on the market right now. Rare never ever bring out.
You say nice.
What? It's on the
Nice, really.
Yeah, man. When it's cold,
So make sure you take it yourself.
Yo.
Check we out.
it's a
Play now.
it's a red stripe. You see, all who know what do the business. You're not supposed to give you a big promotion.
No, what is this? What is for SC?
See there? Look on it.
Yeah.
I hate we deal with the right thing. I see
drink
there.
it, we cook it in our
we
food.
drink it,
Yeah.
we cook it in our food. So
We
what
put
I
it in
know.
our river,
We
make
give
it
a
cool.
big sponsor upon the thing and make the thing turn up and reach up there. Straight, we are say. By the Martel TV, prescribe up one love, we say. Red stripe.
Don't cut it in the fits.
Up
Want the people to show the match with this pan this.
Yeah. This I go season it up.
Joke.
And a joking thing. Now rub in the season proper. Yo, take all that to me. Too much.
I'm not doing something.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm squared it up. Get in like more pepper and ice.
Fresh.
You don't know. Where's salt there?
Salt. Salt.
Right, people. Sit there. Make sure the thing rub in.
Fully active.
Fully active.
Look good still there, Rasta?
Yeah, color.
Talk the truth, Fids. Jaw closer, Fids. And talk the truth. You know look good.
The people.
Or could that be
Who
better?
did disagree?
Eh?
People
Look
inside.
good in season?
Inside ginger finger, me I use that season it up. Sit there.
Give them a close up.
The close up sit
So you
there.
know the meat that looks so tread out, Fids?
No, not tread out. I want them the season gone right. You want them tread out? You say you say the tread to go an eagle.
Yeah.
An eagle and they are something not tread.
Come on, fly this way?
Yeah, fly up that right away. I sprinkle some night and do what we are doing.
We don't sprinkle nothing, I pour
Watch
this.
it up, people. Yeah, pour it.
Yeah.
For lime out first.
No.
Yeah, what am I do?
Yeah. You can left some. Oh, wow.
I it a go work, people. See there? That
You
there.
know, put this in secret again.
That can't go yet.
I win.
And now we are going to cut it up and put it in there. Just so watch how we are doing the thing,
Just,
man.
sorry, the Rasta.
I have to go in there. So one time everything I go in there, man. We just put it.
Rasta, the
Look good
control.
still, Rasta.
Yeah. While the people and so we are dealing with the thing.
Yeah. AKA ginger bean.
Rasta, you have some piece of your thing there.
Nothing left in
The
there.
rice.
Everything gone naughty.
Where?
So again, alright.
Underground butter chicken we are dealing with.
Come in now, style and pattern. Let me cover there.
Cover there, man. Underground butter chicken.
Rasta, wait now.
You want me? I wait for you.
This stone.
Yeah, you want something to catch it.
Yeah.
You want something to catch it.
You want the stone, so you don't have to put it down
You
flat.
get that one around here. Get some stone now. So one there, sir. Save that one there, carry. Too small?
One more that size there too.
What is alright? Keep it on nice, so. I'll fold it over.
You got this, so. Right, Fids? One more that side there.
Alright. At the control.
So that little steam, yeah? Go and take time.
Which way
Chicken tough.
you pushing the pipe?
No, yet we're not ready yet to push it off, right?
No, weird.
Alright, pipe now.
It can set from now, until we're ready for cover it. Just set it, you know.
Let me see now.
We don't want to wait and, go tumble down nothing in there. And...
Now go tumble down when we're done. So I go stay. So now I keep.
Let me shovel.
Rasta worry about. You know, say I'm at the control.
Oh, the graveyard song, Rasta. We all have to meet one day.
Yeah, cover like the edges, just the edges really.
Eh?
Cover like the edges then really where smoke can come out.
I tap your water pan. Make smoke come to all them places there. Don't black out them part there. Yeah, dirt are black.
No,
Rasta.
no, block it man. Remember say we don't have a breather hole in there. That's the purpose for this. Yeah.
That was fit.
Like one cool kid.
Yeah.
That work. No matter what go on there, Rasta dirt still smoke still gotta come through the dirt, you know. So, you know. Yeah, this I can full up to man.
You don't want the whole part of dirt pan enough.
It's good for
You
Rasta.
don't want the full of dirt where you can't lift up the zinc.
Clean off this back man.
You build an next fire there, sir.
On top of this.
On top.
Cause this a rice I cook. By the time I done do the rice and go back in
Right
with
then, you don't want no more dirt then.
Where look?
Rasta worry.
No worry about it.
No worry, nothing.
Where look, Fids?
I'm gonna worry, you can pray.
Pray, me always pray every morning.
Look good man.
You say if you stay.
Just finish one more shovel. Cross here
No.
and you're good.
Make
Give
it
my
stay.
ball, give my ball, Fiddly. I love it.
Make this
I love it, I love it.
So,
I love it.
no.
I love it. Right, look, Fitz.
Coming on.
Alright.
Coming in.
Coming in from the pool.
Coming in from the dirt.
Look, some more dry stick, Rasta.
Dry wood.
Which wood? Nah, learn enough, Fiddly.
Nah, learn.
Boy.
What that?
The actual one and the dry now.
No. Which one there?
So see flavor come back up to now.
I go come through it.
The flavor, see there? The smoke.
Oh. Hear that, peeps? Oh.
Flavor of the smoke.
So how long this supposed to take? Give or take?
Yeah.
What your average time frame?
Stewing hen before. Let's cook the normal.
Normal in.
So what the odds you feel like going?
What time? 2 o'clock.
Probably by the time Argentina lose it ready.
By the time Argentina will win, we post alright.
That a win. On 3:30?
Yeah, but you know,
Yeah.
about 3 o'clock.
3:30.
Them way there.
About 3:30.
3:50.
I see it there.
I see
Fire
kick
on
off.
top of
Fire
blaze.
top on top.
Oh gosh, man.
And then kick off on below.
Yeah, but think you don't say bottom again.
Then you just say it. I don't mean say that.
Who
You say
say
below.
bottom?
You
Yeah,
say it.
people.
I say nothing like that.
I waste your time out a while ago. So you think so me not gonna say bottom. And I never
You
just
say
say your
that,
mouth.
say?
And that you say.
Oh.
Yo, so
Say
you
what?
think so me not gonna say it.
Say bottom?
Yeah, you hear you say it again? You hear? You hear you say it again?
What you
Again
must
and
say?
again.
What you must say?
Same thing when you say. You think it's easy, you see there. I'm going to tell you that, you know. Remember me tell you that, you know, when you want to try to convict you in everything what you want to say. All when you tell the right thing, you just a dunk by yourself, like you just a push it back so you feel ridiculous it back the way you want to hear it. You think it's easy? Yo, I'm going to tell that name, you know. This is when you know Dalby, you want Dalby back up Dalby and the nutmeg tree, you know. And Dalby the fan say, yo, big man, easy, the one man say, yo, boy, you tell me what. Dalby I say, yo, Stardust cold, you know. Yo, man, tell you.
Watch out, fire blaze now, Rasta.
Running fire, watch out now.
Good, man.
Look at the smoke I blow out now. Alright. Yeah. Martel. Squid the ranking.
Oh gosh,
one
man.
Martel TV fire all on the ground. One on the top, blazing, but the one down the lower, steaming.
Yeah.
Up and running.
The one where you put on the bottom.
Lower part, I tell you. You don't tell about no bottom. I tell you about the lower part. You know the bottom. When you there with the bottom talking about, because the lower part of the fire me I talk about. See there?
Boy, you look up the meaning of bottom in the dictionary, because you know say your mind too smutty.
Over mine too smutty.
Yeah.
So why you just step on bottom, so? Every time. You can't say lower part.
A bottom I right now. Top and bottom. Me
Top
no know
and
no
lower.
look how.
Top and low.
My mind not so
when they say
smutty.
high and low.
You have
Never
high
hear
and
high and
low.
low.
And you have top and bottom.
You have top and low.
Your mind smutty, Rasta.
No, I know no smutty mind. My mind clean. Like when if fire blazing. So if fire blaze, I saw my mind a blaze. Clean and pure. Let me say, nothing in it. Let me say,
There's a nut in that.
we need corruption. Right.
Alright, oh boss.
You put salt in the water, yeah?
Yeah.
No, me not see you put in a
That's
salt.
why you don't believe that going there already.
Yeah, messed up then, man.
Hmm?
Rasta, you too low, it's a bun off a pot cover, bad man.
Enjoy it then, man.
Need one full metal cover.
Yeah. You know if it's a wood eat Rasta this thing, man.
Right now that too hot, you know?
I can improvise on it, man. Hot, my boy. Rasta.
So quick put on the say get that.
Rasta. If you never have the car, yes, a potter.
We'll go for that in there. Right for the banking.
Yeah,
Rasta
wow.
the control sit there. Pot bubbling.
Yeah.
Hold this market.
It hot.
I will tell you. But it can't hold.
Oh.
I watch it now. Rasta. Ginger fingers when call him.
AKA Ginger Boss.
AKA 45 ginger finger throwing the rice. See there?
So Rasta, that with a stitch on your shirt?
Well, sit for our shirt. You can't sit on
Ginger.
the arm out of order.
No, I go up on your shirt, you know.
My
I
shirt?
go put Dodo,
Yeah.
a.k.a. Ginger Finger.
No, that can't work.
Why?
Straight Martel AK.
Yeah, that are there in the back of his shirt and everything, but
I want Heil Boss, man.
yeah, Heil Boss.
You want Goat bass.
Oil bass.
Goat bass can work for you.
Alright.
Yeah, that's I better.
Yeah, goat bass sound
Yeah,
good.
real better thing.
That can work for you, Rasta.
That have to go for my shirt.
Yeah. Dodo,
Ginger.
aka
No, we don't know AK pan coming out. Me none of them things.
Police want to see you and pull you over.
Alright, Rasta egg.
No, me not just that.
AK.
Rasta Dodo.
Yeah. Goat
Straight.
bass.
Goat bass. On the one Martel TV.
No
Shirt.
AK.
No form of A plus K.
Police you call for yourself.
Don't call long, no judgment for me.
Yeah.
Me no like them type of talk. Me free from morning, I want to free in the evening.
Yeah.
Yo! No!
Book away for Rasta.
I was not like this.
Yo,
Yo, we can't believe this.
yo,
Hold on there. Me have to cut that clip and watch it back right now. More watch this back right now.
Right there, sir. The man goes to have a wheel round, sir. You know,
Yo, we need to watch this back right now.
Run straight, prescribe on the Martel TV. Mama Big Far, one love, straight.
Sting him a while ago, so I'm afraid of it, you know?
Rice don't look bad, shit.
I'm come look what I go on inside right.
Give a popcorn.
You gotta take a little bit after your water?
No, no water, I just want something over it. See it?
No, man, to get too cool.
Fiddly, what you feel? Look
You
at
want a
me.
little
Why?
bit in there, man.
I'm going to tell you, say, Rasta say we don't have to tell him nothing.
You want a little bit. You
If
want a
I'm
little
me,
bit. No, this, you want a
I'm
little
not
bit.
tell you, see, if I may cook this long, kids, me turn down the flames, I can put a bag over it.
These flames are, whoa!
Wow.
Better when we done now ourselves, yes, Rasta, I mean that.
Spread out the fire, spread out the fire.
Man, no way you say, man. There you go.
Hold on, make cover the pot now, cover the pot.
What's this? You put that
Jesus, please, and beer, ashes him and make going out. Cover the pot, please.
Put on the cover.
You free that cover, you
You
know?
know the cover again, so you know?
Man, free that cover, boy.
Well, I'm
So you
going
can free that cover.
to. He burned me a while ago.
Yeah, people. And you
Yeah,
see
cover.
more water going on rice, you know what kind of rice
Yeah,
today.
idiot. Put on the
What do you Rasta?
That boy look like in my dream night.
You know what I mean when I say that?
Yo,
Jesus, please.
You say, nah, nothing good in there,
Not
Rasta.
good life to talk about a slappy rice. That's what you mean.
Me never say all of that.
Oh, yes, sir.
You just
Rasta,
assuming.
I clear the fire. Put some of the end them. 'Cause remember the chicken don't, yeah, go on.
Rasta just assuming.
So, me not assume nothing.
You just know where you come with
You
Rasta.
know where I come because that's a film style.
Yeah.
Straight and passion. Me not grow on no corner when after you go say, me a cook slappy rice or what you call it what? We flash pan mouth.
Flash and dash.
Pan the tank.
We start.
Like where the flash pan?
Where you want no pebble dash.
Pebble dash.
Pebble dash or shelly rice.
Or rough cast.
Rough gas, a peke. And we not do that.
No peke.
No peke rice around when they go so everything up.
Yeah.
When they go so the 44 called Pass Street, they can't come up with none. You have to use spoon take it up.
Gummy.
Full of shell.
Ah!
Full of shell.
Yo.
Crab around. Nah, they do no crab. You ever one man ringing crab. Then they are Nancy sitting thing there. And worse something that the people talk
You ever
about.
eat crab, Rasta?
Where?
From your barn till
From
you
me
ever eat
born till now. And
never
the
eat a
pan
crab?
land, I never go so with a crab.
That's good, that's good.
That they are Nancy's. Because St. Thomas.
Yeah.
But check my cousin, a fisherman.
Mm.
And one night, my sister go there and say, I go out there, so go to go catch crab and then carry, you find bailing bag them.
Yeah, also.
The find bag them.
A
and
crocus
the rice
bag.
Coming out, not in time then. And the blown see when the crocus bag where flour coming out. And they go over there and coconut rock. They have a big coconut rock. And I go over there, me there behind them and I see one night crab and run and come and they one broomstick, me make sure walk it from the yard. And so one of them like, run and come to us, and I go say, what up?
Yeah.
Lick him.
6.
You drop out down where carry and all I foot the liquor, man.
That's every foot jump
Every
out.
foot liquor, man. The Rasta no so them things around. We go show you.
Yeah.
And we did that, and we turn on the lights and we go and look this one dead blouse and skirt cow. You don't believe them, see man.
Beat the belly.
See man take his hips and bamboo and go. What up from the cow? And the bag full quick.
So you say, I be a crab in a dead cow.
Yo, me say me reach out back for the main road like a rocket leave them. Me say,
Yes, sir. I that one
Center
experience
mass
me
that.
can eat crab.
No, I know that me make. Me don't know from day one.
Oh.
Me not see it.
But yes, I'll be dead things crab feed for you.
Then you can't see that.
Unless who have them crab farm
Yeah.
and then feed them for fruits.
I'm go up at Chest Hospital, that's ready to go work, you see. I do a scheme, yeah, so. I say, me looking at our 4 cup, or high like, yeah, so. Me say about 4 crab. You see that man when me go there? When they look for crab, let them go crab bush and just bring them in.
Well, let them go.
But let them come in. You know what I think? Bomba crab, couldn't be. Yo, me did for work for a month.
So I think the crab then think.
What?
Eh.
Me did for work for 1 month and guess what, man? And 2 weeks me stay there, me tell you, me can't manage that.
I never know crab carry.
Bomba, dear man, I think you sitting in there, man. Me tell the boss,
You
the
know
boss.
what that fits?
I know, me don't know, me not really fancy.
Yo, when they go to water and then think.
Eh. Never know.
Oh dear man, I think it's sitting there, me tell the boss and me can't manage they sent them and me yo, me
Think like one pen.
I will tell you. Remember me tell you that general.
Yeah.
Well, if you eat the hog, you could eat the crab.
Watch me now, people.
No, I have a spin, remember?
I will say a pressure cooker.
Pressure cooker.
Or we have pressure right.
Yeah.
Me blow we lock you now. Take it down.
That's the afraid.
That can't, yo, use this wallet, man. Start this story. Yo, we use it. What is not general? You have to know iPad, same thing.
Jesus,
Nah,
peace.
What is not? Put over the pot
Use
pan.
the fork, huh? And dry it on. Alright.
Yeah, man. That's something on the PC.
Extra sappy.
Yeah, no,
Nice.
there. Nice, man. This
Yeah.
can take off.
You can't take
Ready.
Alright. You can go and
Rasta say ready man, I saw you like pea money. Yeah?
see.
Say like, eh.
Cover him though. You have it, it's stuff. You know all that
The man here.
that bun me as a road boy. You just have to wheel on song. Don't lock it, right? You can stay like that.
Yeah.
You can go and simmer down. Up and running.
Prescribe.
Yo, all a while ago me have to call the said me I get burned. Watch it, sit there.
Perfection.
Perfection. Right. Up and running.
Yes.
Perfection, man. Yo, watch it. Look at what it, look at that. That's how it shine. How you touch me now? Alright, where we are going for this now, Martin? The
Yeah,
time we are working.
Yeah. Time I master
Time
right
master. Time seal up, we seal it.
now. I want to see what I go
And
on.
we see what I want people.
So Rasta, you have Fred?
Fred?
Pan
Tell him
Hear
that.
me now.
Tell him
I
that
you
then.
something
One last time, why you tell him
now.
my
Well, I
friend.
tell you one last time.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you where you should go and get one car come if you want me to show you, friend.
Guitar, yeah, I say
Yeah, you
Fred
have
pan
an until
guitar.
he run a month sales.
Oh. That's a oh.
Culture wife. Can you go around and tell us, send you the bass guitar, come get do the ras on the Martel TV, make you see the
fret?
fret? Yeah.
Alright.
And when I need it today.
Alright.
So Pauline, can you send the guitar for me, the bass one? And make this him see the fret and the guitar. Make I beat the fret, I'm sure him.
Show him fret.
Show him fret.
You can play guitar, right?
What I mean?
You ever play a guitar, right?
My father did have guitar, you know?
But now mean if you do mad this just a beat the string. You know, if
Beat
you
it, you can play bass and treble anything for it. What I'm telling you,
Like you can play an actual melody from a guitar.
Pikachu
you
and
can play a Bob Marley.
why not?
Eh? You believe him face look on your face.
To man, someone not even even so confident.
Why you beat any rhythm?
Yeah.
For it to play, Rasta beat any rhythm.
Alright.
Young king,
It now have a hand point, but you're beating a rhythm.
beating a rhythm.
Alright. Me understand you.
Any rhythm.
Any rhythm.
Rhythm.
Rhythm
And
up.
you let's say, rhythm whole eye.
Oh.
What is that? One Martel TV, up and prescribe. Manners and respect. Straight, one love.
Fred.
Right? That you tell us you have to go and have
Don't remind him, Rasta.
talk to him now.
Cause I tell him already.
Guys, fine.
Fiddly.
Yeah.
The moment my boss listen now.
Yeah,
The
Fred.
boat, now is Fred. If the boat has stand up on the chicken, so you have a low here.
No man, butter they this
No, butter
the butter they
can't
turn ashes, man.
Tell him fiddly. When they put
Your
it
butter?
when they put it up, they just throw dirt on it.
No, I don't want to cover it yet. Suppose the chicken not done cook.
Alright. Yeah, who tell you that?
I mean, just I say.
Well, the scrape off the dirt.
Yeah, Fred.
Firm, man.
Not a beat.
Salt. Yeah, me I must have beat car.
It a beat fast.
What?
Me not dead. Remember I said dead man can't cook, you know.
Oh, you want a race, so.
Can't read.
In there, drink, boom.
Don't drink that thing from morning.
Sorry, I put some stuff.
I'm going to listen to some cool water. That would have take a drink of some cool water now. One of them child beer we use for the chicken.
Yeah, mango beer.
Mango beer. With a drink about half dozen of them mango beer. They're right now well cold.
Red Stripe, check me out.
Yeah? Alright.
Red Stripe. Me not tell them I want to promote and give you something. We look at and sell one 200 case come give it free of cost. 200 case me I look free of cost.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's promote the king and just give Rasta one 200 case.
Yeah? That's the easy off his zinc now, no? Clear it off here, you know?
Give me a shovel.
Look at what I'm going here now.
Use it.
It's easy off his zinc now.
Zinc and zinc.
Yeah?
Rise it to the back.
Watch it.
You say, nah, rise it up, man. No, make we see what I
right
want.
here, so I will take with time and pull it and see what's going on.
You know, you want to take your time, pull it more. Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Quickly. Oh, God, watch his steam where I flick out, man.
Take time out.
Me I give me a spinach.
Wow.
So me I tell you, do you want 2 beer?
Wow.
But it look so bad. Wow.
Watch your leg ain't come to nothing.
Yeah, everything
Wow.
come on. You see me I say, see it? But they're not bad.
Take time, Rasta. Take time.
Wow.
You go on, see, see?
Yeah, go on.
Yeah.
It's soft.
Go on.
Watch out.
It's
Wow.
stewing and cook.
It's stewing tender. Look at
Stewing and can
The
chew.
bone them,
it push off.
the bone them can't crack in
Yeah,
there.
them the both are iron.
That's the way you say, wow.
Wow.
When you see your foot, Rasta, lift up your foot. See one there, sir.
Wow.
Fiddle, see on the foot.
Wow. I thought I wanted it.
So you thought you wanted why you went we cook it? Yeah, you tell say you need this chewing hen foot.
Yeah, man, I have it, see me, man.
No worry yourself.
No meat, put it in
You
there,
need
man.
the thing now, brother.
Yeah, sure.
Are you are the sharer? You know, so when Rasta deal with the thing on the Martel TV, all I do is prepare the thing
No, it
properly.
look just right, man.
Yo, it smells good still.
Yeah, flavors them.
You see
Nah,
the
grow
bus,
there,
we
Rasta.
cover bus and
Not you
fall
hear
down.
me say, I
No,
say,
me
wow,
no.
man. You know, look
No, me
how
no, man,
mackerel
me no say
style
nothing.
that,
It's
you know?
cover when the bus off a while ago.
Oh, God, man. The aroma we get up out of that, you
The
see?
scent we come
Eh?
out.
Alright,
Yo,
watch it.
it's a no fire bad down there,
I
so.
tell you, man.
It's a we see a little longer.
Should have one ripe plant right now if you just chew in them, make them
Wow.
two ripe
At
plant.
them time, I say,
Rasta ain't
wow.
on the ripe plant in there.
No, it's a we see
Sure,
longer
no.
with a burn up.
Yeah.
All right.
So I'm the plant we man talk about.
We don't have any.
Alright.
Alright, Rasta. So this you want to do that today.
What?
Yes.
So,
Real-
no Rexy dish that.
No, a silver plate.
Rasta, this you know.
Miss- eh,
Rex your dog, you know.
We call Rex.
You know that then get that dog name Rex.
Yo, see all the young boy squiddly. Behind the camera just a skin your teeth, so. Remember me tell you, say. Yeah, that good enough.
Great.
Yeah. That kill me. Where's the quiddly? That Rasta working at the shine golden what? Silver.
Plate shine like dial.
Dial.
Good in this.
Yo,
Have you seen
more
your
food
plate,
than that.
master?
You're mad,
No
man.
more food. Then.
Oh, you
Oh,
mean
my
no
little
one no more
sister.
food?
No, man, Mats. Need more than that, man.
You man a ball already, daddy.
Rasta, tell him what them thing they do to him, no?
You making your own system weak.
Alright.
You consume just a little bit and little more in
Alright, portion that still there, so rice you eating now, you know?
No, sir, right.
No.
Enough.
If you even check the Chinese them, even them will love rice.
Check
Check the portion, check the portion.
Enough. You see,
But
so
check
look
the
at white
portion
people,
though.
them a eat, you know.
That, like one
But
little
there are
tea
more
sauce.
white
Sir.
them a eat.
No, sir. One per portion.
One per portion? You're crazy, bro. You're crazy.
One per serving, should say.
No, sir.
Or one of them the per serving, man. I tell you.
Yo.
They say something for you in the fire, though.
2 breadfruit for roast, right?
Two nice breadfruit should I in that roast and now.
Something.
Yeah. I want a piece of saltfish though, a big piece of saltfish and roast.
Yeah,
Until
people. Wow.
now. Wow. That is the right part. Yeah.
No
My
gravy.
God.
But
Wow.
Wow.
No gravy.
You better dip up some of my carrot pan.
So you
See
think
carrot
go
pan
on?
also.
No, Rasta, stop.
Man get to it, man. Man get to it.
Pint. My finger. I pint and I squid.
My ginger.
This is no ginger. Look here. Look how they moving. Ginger can't move up on land. Ginger plant in the dirt.
See what man tell her go on
You know,
with
see?
the bigger pasta rasta.
Got you. I'm right here.
It look Fids.
Wow.
Wow. Yes, you want a chicken foot to Fids.
Yeah. I taste it.
More of my gizzard in my one now. And my gizzard.
You want chicken foot too?
Yeah, give him a chicken foot, man.
Gizzard.
Give him a wing.
Me not fly. Take out that. Mango beer make you think for some mad.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I give your mama a cherry when you go put it in your house and throw it back here.
yeah, no problem.
This, another one. This.
Old ribeye.
Smell good.
What do you mean?
Hey, I tell him man, from him lift it up, man, the aroma will get up and die file thing there. Oh gosh.
Thing is short, yes, the Fids.
One
Gravy.
more beer you
Gravy.
want tonight to get the gravy.
That's all.
Yeah,
I
and
smell the
nice.
mango strong too, you know.
Yeah. You can smell it, the flavor, you know. Up and running now.
Forward.
Father, see today Wednesday the 15th, we give thanks and praise to this for you. Sure we gather us together in the name of Jesus. We provide it for we work out their lives in the name of Jesus and the Almighty. Give thanks and praise.
Amen.
Yeah.
Yo, now test my one I know. And give
This
my
is stewing in first, not this way.
the next one, see that?
No man, put it on the fork, man, and hold it by your leg.
No.
Put on the fork and hold it by your leg.
Remember we do two separate chicken. This are the regular one.
That one,
right?
yeah.
Yeah.
This
And that
is
one,
one.
yeah, remember one.
And
with
this
the
more
stewing in.
test.
Yeah, put on the fork, no?
No,
And just hold it by your leg.
It's good like you came.
That's everything. Put on the fork. Yeah.
You tell us that's tough sitting, you know. Watch here. Look here.
Rasta.
Finally.
Jaja no.
Watch here. Watch here. You don't like it take you for phone.
Yeah.
Yo, man, this now. Tell me now.
Oh, stewing in. What the way flavor go feed still?
Yo,
All tomorrow I'm show that.
it's tough. It did one more.
More fluid.
He said we beat one more beer, we go in there.
Come down.
You know, maybe him not come down like more tenderized.
But to me, you know.
But that one have
But
softer
to me,
than
Rasta, to it clear off of the bone. Me no feel it can't get no more.
Come down.
Oh, me no feel.
Test it. Test your one.
Martel, put on the fork and just hold it.
No fuck still.
Jaja no. Stewing and cannot chew.
Flavor nice for the pan it.
Yeah, man. I tell you that much. Me taste piece of carrot a while ago.
Hold on the feeds.
Martel one fall apart, but
I breast
it fall apart, but with 5 pound of pressure.
Fiddly. But
Watch your man.
feeds.
Talk to me.
No man. Me
Something
never
alright.
expect it to get no. Me never expect it to get no soft than this.
Oh, this how we anticipate.
It
Okay.
could get no softer.
Jano.
Could get no softer. Can I eat still?
Let's like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I best like that, man.
Yeah, flavor there.
Yeah, flavor there, but you know. If we do have one more beer, we have a little more tenderized on him.
Me no feel so.
Why?
I just feel texture this to me.
Alright.
Yeah, Rasta.
Yeah? Yeah, go on.
Rasta, the control. With the stewing in.
Doing it.
So all the other chicken taste, Rasta, the regular one.
Sharper.
More tender.
I just go say melt in your mouth. Yeah? That's giant triangle.
But fit,
Yeah.
see flavor,
On point, man.
bad.
Yo, this name
Bad,
one more season.
Just right.
Just right.
Right, man.
You see me putting on the salt like this. When not say me salt like how Martin salt the squid the salt the one leg. Remember me tell you that.
But this a success, Fiddly.
Yeah. I right lick this today.
Success.
Just right you. This perfect the right way today.
Yeah.
Up subscribe. The next channel,
Flavor nice.
when I see me on the next episode, not might be here, somewhere else, but it's gonna be nicer.
Gonna be epic.
Nicer.
Yeah, man.
Right.
Fitz, may I give you a chance so still.
Me a chance? I'm not ready for my own it. I want you to go and tear down the stewing in them, man.
Nice, man, I tell you. You know if you ever nice, me that's to decide.
Rasta, me a wait for him to take on a piece of leg there.
You know you're not wait for me now. Wait for yourself.
You be a wait for.
Nice still. Flavor and fine pepper, right.
Everything online.
Nice, man.
Right there.
Mr. Tendernism.
Nice.
Yo, people, me not tell a lie. With the chicken on I ground today, the one that they call stewing hen, and it's ready like the one that grow in I coop. You see stewing hen? Tough your hell. Watch him. Before I look. And look at and see soft one, yeah? Melt to watch ya. And this way I go start roast on I ground.
Yeah.
All right.
You're a fiddler.
Go for a run.
Me that, you know. This is a regular one, man.
Yeah.
Am I see?
Yes,
This
man.
is stewing hen?
Yeah. When you taste the chicken foot.
Pass my spoon.
Yeah.
Taste the chicken foot.
Yeah.
This is not look
As
good,
I, yes, I.
Oh, water, baby.
Yeah. Martel? Yes, so this one go back. Nice fire. Flavor and everything on point still. We don't even test the rice yet. The next piece of leg. Let me see when I butter with more and test. Martel, you tell a lie. Well, me
No.
never expect if you get no more tender
No,
than this.
I remember I breast me get.
You have to chew this properly, you know, you tie up around the tongue, so flavor and point and everything when I go in there, you know. Yeah, it's easy to the bone, as you can see, but they want some more fluid in the pan to get look more tender. You see me? As the rest of the say. But it's not a feel still. Come I mash up this now, girl, and take a seat, get comfortable.
Yeah.
Flavor wise, everything on point, you see me? Because I show you see regular chicken, huh? Piece, alright, you see that? Leave now for do nothing.
Tenderism.
Yeah, you see me? Well, I 10 out of 10 for Rasta, man. I just stewing in here. Not chewing.
You want to test it again?
No, sir.
Maybe they can do it the next time and boil it first. Oh.
Maybe. I say something right. It's our pressure, it you mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
Pressure, yeah.
Yeah.
This can just boil.
So you said, the olden days people now used to have to eat stewing in them butter then, man.
No, man, they hear them say they used to cook it with nail. Just
Oh,
that's a technique, you know? Yeah. Getting a rice and now.
Alright, so you say, next epic though.
Yeah, next adventure, you know, it's a go epic. I probably on the riverside where I this still. Rasta shouted it. Argentina score back. John, people.
Argentina! 1-1!
They want to go home, you know.
Argentina! 1-1! Funny thing you, I want to know.
Who score?
Argentina
Who
score back right away.
Who score?
We don't know when them score Argentina score.
Alright.